बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। विजन एवेन्यू के प्लेटफॉर्म से वीडियो जिसका टाइटल है मोस्ट रिपीटेड पास्ट पेपर एमसीक्यूज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 1973। ये तकरीबन तमाम पेपर्स में जिसमें जनरल नॉलेज और पाकिस्तान अफेयर के हवाले से क्वेश्चन आते हैं, उन पेपर में जो क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से वो इसमें मौजूद हैं। आप किसी भी टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो इस वीडियो को एक बार ज़रूर देख लें। आइए बढ़ते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। The Constitution of 1973 was enforced on 14 August. आंसर है इसका 1973. Next, it consists of dash chapters 14 chapter 1973 का Constitution के 14 chapters हैं. Question 3, the Constitution consists of article. इसका आंसर है 280 आर्टिकल हैं इसके. Question 4, it consists of dash schedules, मतलब 1973 का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इसका आंसर 7 है. Question 5, the constitution of 1973 provide a dash form of government parliamentary. इसका आंसर है. Question 6, the tenure of president. Question 6, the tenure of president will be dash years. आंसर इसका 5 है. Question 7, article claimed that the president was to be the head of the state. 41 article है, आंसर है इसका. Question 8, dash amendment authorized the president to dissolve the National Assembly. 5th and 8th. Question 9, the state shall safeguard the legitimate right and interest of minorities, including their due representation in federal and provincial services is provided by article dash of the Constitution 1973. इसका आंसर है 36. important question है. Question 10, in the Constitution of 1973 minimum age limit for president is held. इसका आंसर है not less than 45 years. Question 11, article dash of the Constitution deal with the promotion of social justice and eradication of social evils. इसका आंसर है 37 article. Question 12, before entering upon office under article dash the president shall make oath before the Chief Justice of Pakistan. 178 article. Question 13, president is empowered by article dash of the constitution to grant pardon and respite and to remit, suspend or commute any sentence. इसका आंसर है 45. Question 14, president can be removed from his office by the parliament on the ground of physical or mental incapacity or misconduct through dash. आंसर है इसका process or impeachment. Question 15, article dash of the Constitution of 1973 deal with the removal or implementation of the president. इसका आंसर है 47. Question number 16, article 49 of the Constitution of 1973 empower dash to perform the function of president in absence. chairman इसका आंसर है. Question 17, article 48 of the Constitution of 1973 bounds the president to act upon the advice of prime minister. Question number 18, Constitution of 1973 provide dash kind of parliament. इसका आंसर है. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, लोअर हाउस ऑफ पाकिस्तान पार्लियामेंट इज कॉल्ड नेशनल असेंबली. क्वेश्चन 20, डैश इज अपर हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. आंसर है इसका सेनेट. क्वेश्चन 21, आर्टिकल 63 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1973 डील विदाउट डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ डैश मेंबर ऑफ नेशनल असेंबली एंड सेनेट मेंबर. आंसर है इसका. Question 22, a person shall not be qualified to be elected or chosen a member of parliament unless he fulfill the qualification according to article dash of the Constitution of 1973. इसका आंसर है 62. 23 है, Term and tenure of Senate membership is dash year. इसका आंसर है 6. Question number 24. The system of election adopted for Senate in Constitution of 1973 is called dash general election. Answer है इसका. Question number 25. There are dash seats for non-Muslim in the Senate of Pakistan. इसका आंसर है 1. Question number 26. There are dash seats for technocrats in Senate. इसका आंसर है 4. Question number 27. Each province has dash seats in the Senate. 14. Question number 28. Under Article dash of the Constitution, the Senate shall consist 104 members. Answer is 59. Question number 29. Constitution of 1973 provide dash election for president. इसका आंसर है indirect. Question number 30. National Assembly is presided by dash. Answer is speaker. Question number 31. Under Article 58, the President shall dissolve the National Assembly at advice of Prime Minister. Answer is 32. Minimum age for membership of National Assembly is dash, not less than 25 years of age. Question number 33. FATA has dash seats for women in National Assembly. 12. Question number 34. Federal Capital Area has dash seats in the National Assembly. इसका आंसर है 2. Question number 35. Seats reserved for women from Sindh in National Assembly is 14. Duration of National Assembly is 5 years as provided in Article 52. इसमें 2 क्वेश्चन है, एक ड्यूरेशन भी आ गया नेशनल असेंबली का और दूसरा आर्टिकल जो है वो 52 के तहत है. Question number 37. Balochistan has dash total seats in National Assembly. 17. KPK has dash general seats in National Assembly. 43. Punjab has dash seats in National Assembly. 183. Total strength of National Assembly member is dash 342. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.